All right, so this is the second episode of the Compliment series. I came back from my second trip. I went to Tucson, Arizona. Had a great time. Weather was perfect. It was in the 90s, but dry heat, it felt perfect. I decided I was going to test out a new fragrance that I keep saying is a compliment beast, and it would be the new YSL Myself. This is one of my favorite fragrances. I love it. I love the scent of it. I love the way the clothes smell the next day. It is wonderful. This is a great fragrance. It could be a higher performer and have a better sillage longevity, but for what it is, I think it is perfect. I love it. I think I got two compliments on this trip, and both were my clothes. So my shoes and the jacket I wore is what got the compliments. I got nothing from this. And so actually on the Sunday, so day 3 of my trip, I switched to Le Mans Elixir because I brought that too. I have a little travel decant that I always take with me just in case the urge comes up. And oh, I was loving that. It's such a great fragrance. Again, no compliments. No one said a thing about my scent. So again, so many things are involved in compliments. I was complimented on the way I was dressed. So I feel like you are guaranteed like a compliment, if you're going to get one. It's not going to be, oh my gosh, you smell so good and you look so good and your hair is perfect and blah, 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 blah. I think you're stuck with just kind of the bare bones compliment. So this is one I still say is a compliment beast. One of the subscribers, even below on my fragrance of the day, said that he is getting tons of compliments with this. So this is a compliment beast. I didn't get any on the trip in the airport. No one said I smelled amazing. So whatever, but I'm going to keep this series going. I'm leaving again this weekend, heading to Mississippi. One of the subscribers said I should have taken Sedley on this trip. Unfortunately, I saw that I was already at the airport at that time, so I couldn't take it, but I'm going to take Sedley. Well, when I say I'm going to take Sedley, I'm going to take My Here, which is a clone of Sedley. I do have Sedley, but I don't want to take it. So I'm going to take this instead. I will probably put this in a decant because I don't foresee TSA really enjoying this bottle. Does kind of look like a trophy though, but I don't want to get in trouble. So I'll take a decant of this, test it out. I will probably take another fragrance I just got, which is an Elysium clone from Roger Parfum. It is this. It's called a Frag Heads Asylum. I love this fragrance. This is my fragrance of the day today. Just got it yesterday. Cannot wait to test this out full wearing. Look for the video coming up. But this will probably be another one I'll take with me just to mix it up. I like having multiple fragrances. I get bored with one fragrance for a whole trip. I know I'm gone for 3 days, but it just bothers me. I want multiple fragrances. So I'll probably take both of those and check back with you next week and see what you think. So if there is a fragrance you think I should take next week, I will be heading to Charlotte. Let me know in the comments below what fragrance you think would be a good one to get a compliment. And I'll see if I have it or something like it to take with me. So this is Nubs Fragrance. Talk to you soon.